And boys and girls, we're starting off this video with the stepkids hiding in the car, the envoy idling away, and what you're gonna see here would be the 240 at a gas station. You're thinking, why is the 240 at a gas station? And I'm thinking, I just filled it up to be nice to the guy I'm about to trade it to. And you're like, wait, you said you were gonna go drift, and that's what all this preparation has been done, was for drifting. Yay, wide body, gas tank access. Son of a bitch, it's alright. But let's push that back down, this back down. Give you guys all the fun of the shake cam there. We're gonna give you a walkthrough of the car here in a second. I just gotta put this flathead away, because that was a pain in the ass. But what we're dealing with here is a loud envoy idling. And the preparation went perfect. The car is 10,000 times better than it started off as. But we have one. Let's see. This is starting. But waiting for my drinks. We have one goal in mind here. Make things prettier. Make things better. Always trading up, never trading down. So, I have no idea what to say. Let's just drive and figure out what happens from there, right? I'm gonna miss this thing. Love you, I'm gonna go left. Turned my flashlight on and then we turned it on. I was like, why is that light going? And I keep reaching for the turn. Oh boy, that was fun. Like, I don't know, half an hour of driving all the way, 45 minutes, and something over my shoulder is new. So, we went back from right-hand drive to left-hand drive, but mainly it's a prettier chassis, and the parts on it are pretty decent. We got an arc switch panel, Apexi AFC2. We got dual caliper setup with PBM drop knuckles, BC coils that are brand new, 500 miles on them or something. It's a decent little setup here. I think we can do something with this. I mean, if we took that orange thing and did something, it shouldn't be so bad. Let's get a couple little B-roll shots of this thing, and then I'm gonna get back on the road and head home and go from there. Woo. Boys and girls, we are home. I'm tired as shit. I've been driving for 10 hours or some shit like that, all day basically. You hear something idling outside. So, after my Mother's Day get together, we brought her home. This thing is loud as shit, so let's go ahead and turn it off and show you guys the new digs out back here. So, Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Obviously, the car needs a bunch of work. Gotta get used to this Mark II thing, but oh, we'll need a pole to hold the hood up. That's a good old fun thing, right? Let's go with this. So, garage, clean, not as clean as it has been. We got the Harleys in here, and you're wondering, Harleys in the garage, why? Because we got out back fixed back up. So we got our spare parts in our working area. We got the KBD sill bumper. We got our spare skirts and a spare rear, which will all be done in the next couple days videos. But the main point, we're gonna be looking at this guy. We got, oh, if I can get this to work. And then let's get that guy out. But we have your typical top mount SR, T28 billet wheel, you know, Freddy intake, little things. It needs a water pump. You can see it's actually, can you see that? Let's see if we can move the KBD out of the way. It's actually dripping right now, but I already ordered a new one from NissanParts.co up there in Tacoma. So I think that's what they're called, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty stoked. The chassis is cleaner. We got a front end, body work, everything's all done. So we know wheels are next. Get this kit on and start knocking out the little stuff. We have a bunch of random things left over. We always have spare GK Tech throttle wheels. I have some wideband stuff that will get into it. Still have a Z32 map and stuff. It's on an SAFC2, so we'll be able to do a little bit of tuning that way ourselves. Lots of miscellaneous stuff to just start throwing at it. Can't talk, tired. We're gonna probably end the video there today. I was gonna beat the crap out of it, but found out the water pump on the way home was leaking, so just look at it. Would you just look at it? I cannot wait to take this thing apart and start really, really digging into it. With the blue car, I had the blue car blown up, I would have cut that thing into pieces and thrown the pieces away. Something about that car was just not fitting with me in the way I wanted it to be. I'm not a bodywork guy. This thing having no chassis harness, so no wipers, nothing like that. I'd rather spend a month wiring than a week doing bodywork. So I gotta paint a bumper and some side skirts and a rear, slap it on, and some nice wheels, make it a little more. Jack, come here. I'm guessing the black car is Black Cat approved, and he is so loud and so obnoxious. Jack, come here, Bubba. Come here. Do you want to be famous? Fine. There's cat butthole. But my battery died. I had to go get another one, so that was awesome. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna really, I promise, devote next week to daily videos. I got 14 days exactly as of today. Today's the 10th. The event is the 23rd, 24th, 25th. I can't drive the 23rd because it's a day one special invite shit and I haven't drifted in 5 years. So yeah, that's not gonna work. But day 2, day 3 I can drive, which is 13 days away. So we have 13 days to do a water pump, which should be here in 2 days. Get the bumper painted, get the side skirts painted, get all that done. Watch him look at my car. Do not get in my car or anything like that. Check, what are you doing? Hey. I guess that means that it's a good idea. Something like that. Fucking cat. But I gotta stop looking up at the screen here and looking down here. This is weird. Yeah, we're gonna end it here. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We gotta take this car for an alignment and a few other things and start beating the crap out of it. And with that, I'm gonna go get stoned and go to bed. Catch you guys later.